If you've ever been scared of getting scammed while looking for suppliers, then this video is for you. Just give me some time. I will show you exactly how to find verified suppliers on Alibaba. I will be doing a step-by-step guide so you know the verified suppliers on this platform. I will also show you what to click, what to check, how to know if a supplier is legit, even if you're just a complete beginner. So stick with me. I will show you all these things just now. Let's get into it.
First thing you're going to do is this. So you type in Alibaba here or Alibaba.com. Either one you want to do. You just type that. Then select the first one. So this is Alibaba official website. And Alibaba is one of the biggest platforms where you can find international suppliers. Anything at all you're looking for, you will find suppliers here also. But of course, this is not the only place, but you can also find here. So let's just pick for example, you're looking for handbag to buy. You just type in handbag. Whatever it is you're looking for, you should just come into the search bar and search for it. It's going to give you every single thing. Okay, now you can see it's giving us bags. List of bags is now for you to select which one you want. After you've gone through, we check for the one you want. So before we go further, please pay attention to this because this is very, very important. This is going to help you like be on the right track. Now, you can see here filters, right? You can see, you want to highlight it so you see better. You can see here filters. This is very, very important, but this is going to help you know the verified suppliers now. So when you do this, you click on here, trade assurance, click on it. So it's going to be giving you suppliers that have the trade assurance. You also click on verified suppliers. Sorry about this. You can see here verified suppliers. You click on it also. Now the suppliers is going to be bringing up for you and those that are verified. To help you avoid those random or risky sellers who just come out to want to like scam you. They will ensure they have this now. Now, let's pick one product. You just click on any product you think you like. Let's just look for something good and work with that. So I'll show you other things you need to do. Okay. Maybe we should play with this. And before we go further, if you check on all the items here, even the one you want to click now, you can see when you want to order, you always see minimum order, that's MOQ. Minimum order quantity. You can see this, the minimum you can order for this one now is 100. The minimum you can order for this is 2 pieces. The minimum you can order for this is 1. So this person is selling like single individual products, which is a good one. So you have to check the MOQ to know how many they are selling at a time. So let's just pick, for example, let's work with this one. This is selling 100 bags. So select this one. Now, when you've opened it, please do not be in a hurry. Just scroll down, check the product image, check everything. You can see here, you can use this to be checking what you want. Yeah, you can see, right? So ensure you've gone through all this. You'd also go down. You want to see the video, you can do here, or the attributes of the bag. You just click here so to show you more stuffs. Then you just scroll down. Let's check the description. See the description, click here. So you read more about the bag. You can see here. Product from the supplier. They even put in a video description for you to see how the bag was made. And you can see here. This 100 for 499 is just an estimate of how much this is, how much you're going to get if you're going for 100 pieces. So 140, this is my currency where I live. So this is in kronas, not in dollars. This is 100 pieces because you don't do anything less than 100. It's from 100 upwards. You do. If you're going for 100 pieces, you'll be getting one for 120. 146, excuse me. So that is it. And then you check this is the price you're supposed to check. Then now I have to look for the supplier section. Let's scroll down more and see what they have for us. So ensure you read reviews. Me, I buy things based on reviews. So if I don't see any review there, forget about it. I'll just move on. So ensure you check on reviews also. That's a good way to know if something is good, because some people will buy it, put it on, and take a picture of it. That was going to help you also. So this is a factory. This is how they package the whole thing. Certificate so far. Yes, I'm taking my time to go through their page to ensure that they are really authentic. You can see the certificates they've like gotten so far since they got into this business, which is also a good one. If you want to go through the frequently asked questions, you can feel free to go through it. It's important to have all this in mind so you don't make any mistake when you're going to like buy anything. So here you can see this is the name of the seller. Yes, Bridge Leather Products, and you can see verified customer manufacturer, and they've been open. They've been here for like 3 years, which is a very good one. Certified, which is a very very good one. You check the reviews to see if they have any bad review or they have good reviews. Oh, nice one. See, yeah. First review: stunning product beyond what I envisioned. Very lush and high quality. So you see. 9. You've seen the verified badge customer manufacturer, right? This is one way to know. Check how many years they've been here. Check if they're certified. See here, CE certified. This is a very good one. So the more established these companies are, then the better. Now you also look at the minimum you can order. I already told you that. Check the minimum you can order. Minimum that is allowed for you to order. It's called MOQ, minimum order quantity. So if you check the pricing and you think it fits your budget and you verified all those things I just told you now, then go ahead and click on send inquiry. It's for you to make inquiries from the seller. Go ahead and send this. And when you send inquiry, or if you want, you can even chat now, which even makes it better. If it's not the chat bot thing, if it's not it, then I'll prefer you chat with them immediately. Now you can just be like something like, for example, you just send something very simple and clear. Hello, I'm interested in your product. Please send me the pricing, the MOQ, and shipping details to my country. Mention the country where you're calling them from, so they know. Then you now be like, this is going to help you confirm the product quality and avoid any stories that touches the heart. So this is it, how you get the verified suppliers.
Now, if you don't want to go through the stress of checking different suppliers yourself, I've already put together a list of verified suppliers across different categories in my digital store. You can just go ahead and check it out. Click on the link in the description. You're going to see everything you need to know there. So tell me in the comment section, what product are you planning to sell? You don't have to overthink it. You don't have to do that. Just start small, learn as you go. You get better as you go. So you're even closer than you think. Just go ahead and do it. Click on the link and then you get a verified list of all the vendors you need to kickstart your business now. Go ahead and click on the link.